Here we have 3 gadgets that we are going to unbox. Some of them might be useful or just funny gag items. Now let's have a closer look at the first one. It is a solar-powered battery. With this power bank you can recharge your smartphone or other electronics with the power of the sun. With the integrated solar panels you can recharge wherever you have sunlight. There is also an integrated flashlight. The capacity of the battery is strong enough to charge a smartphone several times. Can you guess what kind of gadget this is? It is a tea bag in the shape of a potted plant. Now let's open the package and fill it with loose tea. The tea we used is a bit too fine. Using tea leaves would work better. Here we have our third product. It is a funny joke article called Growing Sexy that we bought in Japan. The included joke item is supposed to grow 6 times bigger. Let's have a look inside and put it into a glass of water. Now we have to wait 3 days to see the final result. Here we go. The material is fully soaked up. Which gadget is your favorite one? Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe for more daily videos.